What's the deal, man? It's your boy Chef Vonnie back again. I told y'all I was gonna be back in the kitchen, you know, whipping these pots up, you know what I'm saying? So today we're gonna do a honey glazed salmon with some Uncle Ben's rice, the low grain and wild rice, you know what I'm saying? Trying to lose some weight. And we're gonna do some green beans, man. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me on this. I already got my salmon out, so I'm about to go ahead and season this up a little bit, put it in the oven. So we're gonna start with a little bit of onion powder. We don't need that much. I got a little adobo. Bang. A little bit of Travantes. Y'all know that's like my favorite seasoning. Just a little bit of accent, alright? Bang. Alright, man, so we're gonna cover this, put it in the oven. I already got my water boiling for my rice. And all you need for the honey glaze is a lemon, some honey, and I already minced up some garlic. So we're gonna get that going in a minute, man. Let me let this water boil a little bit, put this in the oven. Now I'll be back with you guys soon, alright? Alright, man, so we are back in the kitchen, man. The salmon is almost done. I'm about to put that on broil right now. And we're gonna go ahead and get this. So all you need is about a tablespoon of butter. And we're gonna put this in there. Alright, so we'll bring y'all right here. Alright, you see how that's cooking down? So we're gonna wait till it gets a little brown. See, I got my rice right there. The salmon, I got it on broil right now. Alright, but man, what y'all think about J. Cole's new album, man? Right now, well, it just came out, so it's early in the year. I was about to say it's one of the top albums of the year, but ain't many people dropped yet. So, we gonna see. We gonna see, but I like it, man. I done listened to it about 5 times, like back to 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 back. And it's dope, man. The more you listen to it, like that first listen, people are like, man, what is this? This ain't no J. Cole album. Man, you keep listening to it and going over and over, it ain't right, man. And that NBA Youngboy, shout out to NBA Youngboy, man. He dropped some heat too. Y'all go check that out, man. NBA Youngboy is dope. I rocks with him. It is turning brown. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead add this. We're gonna add this, the minced garlic. That saute and a little bit of lemon juice. Okay. All right. This is how it's looking right now. Gotta let it boil down a little bit, and then I'm gonna take the salmon out. Put it in there and let it cook a little bit longer. You see my rice is about done. I'm about to get started on the green bean. Alright, man, so y'all see it changed color a little bit. So now, alright, man, so we got the salmon right here. Bang. Alright, so now we're just gonna take this bad boy, put it right there. See that? Alright, man. Just gonna let that cook for a few seconds. Alright, man. So y'all see how good that look. right there. Now I just got my green bean stuff ready. Let's put some olive oil in that bad boy. Alright, man, got the green beans going. Just added some pepper, a little bit of accent, a little bit of adobo to that, man. Let this cook up. The rice is about done. Y'all see how good that look, man. So about to get ready to plate it, man. I will check back in with you guys once I plate everything. Let y'all see everything, alright? And honey glazed salmon with the rice. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. Also down below in the comments, man. Let me know what you guys want to see me cook, man. I'm trying to post at least one cooking video a week, alright? So let me know down below in the comments, man. Hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll see you guys on the next video, alright? Peace. Alright, man, so what I wanted to start incorporating was a little taste test live with y'all. Alright, let's go on for the salmon. Let's see.
I'm gonna dip my salmon in the rice. What?
I like it. I like it.
I like seafood, so. Anybody who knows me knows there's one thing I don't like in food.
That's for decoration. For the decoration.
It's good.
But
The green beans are real good. I like the green beans. I think they're the best green beans.
one thing I could have did, put a little bit more glaze on it.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, you should have done like a glazed drizzle.
Drizzle,
but you're
yeah.
You're new to this, so.
Well, fucking breaks.
No, seriously, I would have done
Should do a drizzle. Oh, we did a drizzle? Okay.
But y'all, stay tuned. He's coming out with a gaming channel. He's gonna be making cooking videos. I have a video coming up, Air Force video of what I took to basic training, what's in my basic training bag. So, y'all stay tuned.
Stay tuned, man. We'll see you guys in the next video.